Union Civil Aviation Minister Jyotir Aditya Sinha today flagged off the first commercial flight of an Air India-made Dornier 228 aircraft from Pasighat in Arunachal Pradesh. This airline will connect Dibrugarh in Assam with Pasighat in Arunachal Pradesh and Leela-Bari in Assam. Alliance Air will operate this flight. People will be able to get the benefit of this flight service 2 days a week from April 18th. The indigenously manufactured Dornier 228 aircraft by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited can carry 17 passengers at a time. With the launch of this airline, not only will air connectivity expand in Arunachal Pradesh, but it will also increase tourism and economic activities. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu, Union Law Minister Kiren Rijiju, Lok Sabha MP Tapir Gao and many other leaders and senior officials were present on the occasion. Rescue operation at the Trikut